Hey guys, end of a long day today. Just giving you a quick update. I'm not even mic'd up, so I hope that you guys can hear this all right. As you can see, we are getting ready for dust collection. Getting everything laid out. This will be my primary dust collector. 2 horsepower. We're gonna give that a try. I've been, like I said, doing some tests here with 6-inch pipe, checking my suction with 20-foot runs, reducing down to 4 foot. This is what actually came on the dust collector. Immediate 6-inch to dual 4-inch split right out of the vacuum. So instead of doing that, we're just going to go straight 6, trunk line as far as we can, and then break it down into 4-inch. These fittings are expensive. I think this one's like $40. Anytime you get into 6-inch with PVC, anything it's freaking expensive. But the 4-inch stuff is really cheap. But in order to get the suction that we need for, let's say, big planers that I don't have in here yet, we were going to need the 6-inch trunk line. So the plan, I know we've discussed different things, with this side room. The plan, instead of the new plan from the thinking chair, we were originally going to put it against this wall. I'm wanting to now, if we put it against that wall, we were going to have to make some 2 or 3 sweeping 90s to get it out centered with this pole. And that's the way I like it. So, new plan. Today, I have worked on building a platform for the dust collector. Still have to get some big heavy duty platform, and the plan is to go out this way with the dust and the shavings. Still have to get some lag screws in all of this, some lag bolts in a couple of these areas. Plenty of support. It's actually been supported by one of the cross beams, as well as these true 2x4s. Heavy duty. So what we're actually going to do, instead of having a bag system like you see in most places, with the big filters and so on and so forth, I'm wanting to, again, the platform, I've got it wired up with 220, 230 I think is for this device, same thing. I'm going to run it out, the dust, out the side of this wall, which it's under a shed, back a enclosed trailer into that, and blow all my shavings into that. We have farm animals here that dry shavings are perfect for their stalls. So instead of even having to mess with the dust, the cyclones, all that other mess, separators, it's all going to go into a covered trailer basically, and we'll use it that way. Plus, it actually helps with flow. We'll get more suction because we can't even talk. I need the thinking chair. Because we won't have the resistance of the filter or the bag of getting rid of the particles and filtering out the air. Since it's actually all going to be shot outside, there will be no resistance there. So we should have a lot more suction with that as well. If you've ever looked into dust collection, there's a lot of math, a lot of things to consider. Static, drag, I mean, there's just all kinds. You know, it's not just, you know, feet per minute. There's just tons and tons of math that goes along with it. But by my calculations, this machine should do it. Nothing smaller, but with blast gates in the right places, this should do it. I'd like to get this set up because since it's going to be on the stand, I've actually wired an off and on switch to the side of it. I'm going to set it up here with, theoretically, I can start my motor dust collection from out here with the start stop. So we'll see how all that goes down. Pretty sure we'll probably be diving into that tomorrow, so stay tuned. I'll have all my stuff set out here, and we'll get it put together, see what happens. So again, I'm using PVC on everything. I will probably just dry fit and use duct, probably aluminum duct tape around these seals in case I ever need to change anything up. But even with no seals at all, it had tons and tons of suction, you know, with this 6-inch pipe. So sure going to run into a couple of hiccups because, of course, everybody knows this mess with dust collection. Dust collection piping is a different ID than any other type of piping. So we'll figure it out as we go. All right, that was just an update. Sorry it took so long. Hang in there with me. We're getting close. See you guys.